Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and reviews. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you some Christmas puzzles. So in case you guys are looking for some puzzles, then definitely this review will help you. So these are some Christmas puzzles. So let's open one by one the puzzles and let's see how these puzzles. So these are like 4 different Christmas puzzles. So all are like Christmas puzzles. The first one is like this one is Merry Christmas. So it's like Fortune Claus. This one is also Merry Christmas. Like this two. This. So first open this one. So all are like a 1000 piece puzzles. So this is how it looks. These are the sizes, and the puzzle will look like this. So yeah, this is how it looks, and these are Jigsaw puzzle, and the sizes are 70 into 50. You can see. So the next one, let's see this one. The next one is the puzzle. This one. See. So in the back side they have written everything. So the next one is this one. The Santa and all this. So this is the back side also the pictures. These are also the same, like same size. So the next one is this one. This one looks good. Now this is the and these are back side it has written like all these letters A, B, C, D, E, F, and you have to just arrange separate all these letters and arrange it. So this is definitely time-taking puzzles. These are not like easy. If you are looking some Christmas puzzles, then definitely you can try this one. These are like a really great one. Yeah. I'm not like a very big puzzle lover. I don't like much. I don't enjoy puzzles a lot. But if you like puzzles and your kids love to do puzzles, then definitely you can try this one. This is like a really good one. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.